to do down, and he did down better this time than he has in the past. So he's getting better every time. And we also got to do a recall with come. Good boy. Oh, way too strong. We're way too strong. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Paul. Good boy. Let's go. Good job, dude. You won. You won. Now here we're doing a celebration. Good boy, you won. Let's go. Come on. Good job, dude. You won. You won. Enjoy your toy. Right? So sometimes, just let them have it. Right? There's different aspects of tug. You have pulling on it really hard, right? The fight, that's the part Paul likes the best. You have the celebration, right? I got it. You have the chase, right? You have stalking, right? Where you're stalking and then you're chasing. And then you also have consumption, which is what he's doing now, right? And so you can allow for different portions of each in cooperation with the dog. Oh, I'm gonna take it. You don't have a good grip. Oh, I won. That's mine. Ooh. Good boy. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Let's go. Come on, bring it over. Bring it here. Bring it here. Yeah. Have fun with it. Oh, I'm gonna take it. Oh. Out. Good boy. Nope. Chill out. Easy. All right. Good boy. Follow. All right, good boy. Follow. Heel. Nope. Heel. Nope. Okay. Good boy. So there, I haven't done as much with the heel with him yet. Oh, good. So you start with just a few steps. That's all you got to do. Ja. Oh. Out. Heel. Nope. Heel. Nope. Nope. Heel.